Hello everyone, today I will show you how to check Safari history after deleted on iPhone. And here's how it is done. Method 1. Checking recently closed tabs in Safari. First, let us go into Safari. Let us say you visit a website and browse around. If you still have the tab open, you can easily check it by tapping the two squares at the bottom right of the screen. This will show you all the websites you currently have open. But if you close the tab, do not worry. You can still try to find it. Tap the book icon next to the two squares at the bottom of the screen. This will bring up your history. Here, you can see recently visited websites, Facebook, or anything else from today. You can also scroll through history by date, like seeing things from the past days. If the site was recently deleted, you might be able to find it here. And that is everything you need to know about how to check Safari history after deleted on iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.